Ayun pala, taas daw. Sabi daw sa'yo.
Ay, sa taas pala. Video ba yun?
Pasok ka pa sir, si coach ng hotel. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Love my city, got love for my people. When I put on, know I did this shit for me, yo. Get that money up, now your boy got it, yo. Before you cut the check, nigga, another zero. And now we from the night till the sun come. I was about to go hard where I come from. Get that money, nigga, don't be a dumb. If you ain't hustling, then you ain't really want none.
Hindi rin mapirmi yun eh.
Sasayaw ba kayo mamaya?
Wala eh. Tingnan ko kung ano sila. Pwede naman. Oo. Ganun lang oh. Pampatawa lang sa mga...
Practice muna kayo.
Wala kaming ano eh. Kumbaga... Alam ko ito mga dancer to. Si Rocco. Si Tito. Hindi. Yun yung mahihain itong dalawa. Kayo no?
Siya si Rocco.
Hindi sasayaw yan.
Oh, ang galing. Galing. You know? Yan.
Saan?
Is there?
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Kailangan ko na buwat ah.
Sila nasa paa.
Gago, makakamabot ako dun.
Wala ko lang sa pwersa eh. Sa dalawa lang kami.